Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to replace the sole on shoes by yourself. I have these sneakers where the sole has worn out. As you can see, it has worn through completely and water was leaking in. I have already detached one. Now it needs to be replaced because the upper part of the shoe is made of suede, which is a natural material. It's a shame to throw away my size 45 sneakers. I found a suitable sole of the right shape. When selecting a sole, you need to remove the old sole from one sneaker and match the new sole in the store so that it completely covers the entire strip and there are no remnants of the old glue. First, you need to remove the old sole. For this, I will use a heat gun and thoroughly heat the perimeter of the old sole so that it detaches from the base. I will heat it on the first power setting for 3 to 4 minutes around the perimeter. After heating the sole, you can see that it has started to come off. The glue has softened and now you can try to remove the old sole from the top of the shoe. With some force, we begin to tear it off, trying not to rip the upper part of the shoe. It is clear that it was glued well because I had already re-glued it. Now, we will tear it off. If it doesn't come off in some places, you need to heat that area additionally. Well, it seems to be going fine so far. We'll see from there. If the glue cools down, somewhere at the back, we'll heat it a little more. Now the sole has come off. It's clear that it was already unusable. There are glue residues left that need to be removed from the top of the shoe and prepare it for attaching a new sole. For convenience, I'll remove the laces so that I can easily reach the toe of the shoe while working. To make the work easier, I'll use a rotary tool with a sanding disc, or you can use regular sandpaper. And it's necessary to work on this strip where the glue remains. Thoroughly clean it so that it doesn't shine, but is matte. Let's start evenly cleaning off the glue residue. There, the glue is cleaned off. The surface on the sides has become matte. And we can proceed to prepare the sole. In order to prevent the glue from rolling off the new sole, the inner part must also be treated using a milling cutter. This edge and the bottom part around the perimeter. After that, using Kalosha gasoline, it is necessary to degrease the sole and the upper part of the shoe, as well as remove the dust that formed during the sanding of these areas. We soak a clean cloth and we'll wipe it down. After the gasoline layer dries, I will take polyurethane glue Desmokol and apply 2 layers to the sole and the upper part of the shoe with an interval of 15 to 20 minutes. We apply glue to this part of the shoe. Here, 2 layers are also needed because suede absorbs glue very well. You can see that the glue is shiny. The sign that it has dried will be that it becomes matte. 15 minutes have passed, and the glue is no longer sticky. You should check with the back of your finger to avoid leaving an oily mark from your skin. And now we apply a second layer of glue to both surfaces to be bonded. Fifteen minutes have passed, and the glue is no longer sticky on either side. Now I will take a heat gun, set it to the second power level, and heat both surfaces approximately 3 times for 3 seconds each. It's important here that the glue doesn't boil, otherwise it will lose its properties. This way we activate the glue. And we start gluing. We start with the toe. First, we center the sole so that it is exactly in the middle. And then we begin to carefully and precisely glue it. The main thing is to ensure it is precisely aligned in the correct direction around the entire perimeter. Back part, we grab it, and after that you can press it around the entire perimeter. It down. The more effort, the stronger it will work. Glue. While the glue is hot, salt, flexible, so it's very convenient to adjust everything into place. Here's the new sole. It's glued onto the sneaker. Now we just need to wait 24 hours for the glue to fully dry. And you can wear these sneakers as usual. You have watched a video on how to replace the sole on shoes by yourself. Write your remarks and comments, like the video, subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Goodbye everyone.